Glad you signed up. We're gonna give you all your different parts of the wheelhouse that you requested. But before we do that, I want you to check out the Health Risk Analyzer. Now the Health Risk Analyzer, it can check for 8 risk factors in around 8 minutes. This thing's amazing, breakthrough device. What it does is, it can tell you got stiffening of the arteries, IR resistance, if you're pre-diabetic, diabetic. It can tell you toxicology. It can tell you if you're at risk of stroke. It can even tell you if you're at risk of a heart attack in the next 2 years, even if you display no symptoms. This thing is amazing. This is the kind of device that's gonna give us a proactive approach to care. What it will actually do is let us know in advance. Most of the time we deal with cardiovascular disease, which is the #1 killer in America. We usually deal with it on a reactive basis, find out that someone had a heart attack. And now we start doing all the things to try to go in the right direction. This device actually lets us get out in front of it up to 2 years prior of an event. Small, it's portable. This device, it costs about $1,000 a month for your practice to be able to cover all your patient base. And then the kicker is, and most of you would just do it to be able to protect your practice and your patients for $1,000 a month. Most of you would just do it just for that reason. But the good news is, this device actually is reimbursed well. We provide a technician, we show them exactly how to do the super bill. Average reimbursement on these ranges from about $350. We've seen them go as far as $1,000 per patient. The whole thing takes about 8 minutes. It makes your practice move more efficiently, gets you more efficiency out of your staff. Okay, so no more poking and prodding. To get a lot of these risk factors screened, it would take you about 4 or 5 days down at some of the major clinics. They're gonna hold you upside down. They're gonna dunk your head in water. This is not exaggeration. And we're able to get these same results in around 8 minutes. For your patient base, as long as they're over 16 and they can say yes to any of these symptoms up under the bottom of the screen, then they have the medical necessity to warrant the test. Something as simple as dizziness, fainting, shortness of breath, tingling in the hands and feet, hunger. They can answer yes to any of these symptoms. They qualify to get on the machine. If they're over 16 and less than 7 months pregnant. It's an amazing device. It's going to save a whole lot of lives nationwide. With your help, we do the marketing with you. We put together marketing pieces for our doctors for you to go put into social media, drum up more interest. We call them doing our own rain dances, where you're able to inform the public, increase the awareness, and let them know that a product like this does exist.